Welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm just going to show you how to draw lines on maps using Google Earth. Really straightforward. As you can see, I've just typed in Google Earth into Google and it's the first result. I just wait for that to load. I am not, don't have to be logged in or anything at this stage. I can get cracking. I can either search up here for the specific place. If you know the address, you can use that, or alternatively you can navigate using the map. I'm going to pick this place in New Zealand, double click on that to reorient the compass and view. And so I just zoom in until I find the place. Let's say it's this one. And then we can get started. So all I need to do is go up here to add path or polygon. And as you can see, my cursor has now got this little tag saying add first point. So I can zoom in and I can start drawing. And of course, this might be useful for whether you have a fence that you want to highlight to somebody, or perhaps you want to record some pipes that are buried under the ground, etc., etc. There's a number of uses for this. But on this occasion, we will just start drawing some lines to show you how it works. When you're happy with the line that you've drawn, you just click on that final point one more time and save it to your project. Now here you'll be presented with a choice. You can either save this as a local file, which means that it will be stored on your computer's hard drive, and you can then email that or share it through messaging or some other form directly, or you can save this as an online map project on Google Drive. So you would then of course be asked to log in using your Google credentials and you can share it from there. I'm going to choose local KML file for this example. And here you can give it a name. You can select how thick you want the line, you can select the color, and so on. And then when you're happy with that, you just click done. And now that has been saved to your temporary project. And if I think, well, this is actually a network of lines, I need to add some more, I can do that. I just click it again, and here we are. I can now add some more, same again, save to project, happy with that, might give it another name. And it is now in my project. So you can just rinse and repeat, continue that until you have everything that you're happy with. And then when you're ready to share it, if you have chosen the online option, you would use the share controls up here to add people or email it with the link. In this case, I would go export as KML file, and then that will prompt me with a dialog box to save it onto my computer. And then that's it. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you on the next one.